What is going on, guys? We got an impromptu vlog coming to you on this wonderful fall day. I just got out of the grocery store at Whole Foods, picked up some things for dinner, and a little surprise for Lucas, so I'll show you guys that later. But Erica called me and she was like, yo, let's go to Kroger and make a shopping vlog. So we're gonna go get some groceries together. I'll show you what we pick up, and maybe we'll meal prep it too, I don't know. We're here at Kroger now. We're gonna go in and get some groceries. What are we gonna get?
Chicken, sweet potatoes, more of those carb masters. You know.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Full bodybuilding bro diet. And then we're gonna cook it up meal prep style.
Have chosen potatoes on. Pop these in the oven. You're good to go.
Got the chicken. We're back at the house now. Got some chicken, ground turkey, avocados, vegetables, rice, sweet potatoes, and we're basically just gonna meal prep this for Erica's fiance, Greg. Here, she's gonna show us how it's done.
Get down! Get down. Down. Get down. Go get him down for me. So I use scissors to like cut off the fat. And then Jacqueline likes to pound out her chicken.
Yeah, you have to.
You don't have to.
You do have to. It tastes so much better.
We'll see.
Poor Greg.
I don't care.
At least you trim the fat, though. I actually don't do that.
Really?
Yeah.
You just-
My mom does, though.
I trim the fat.
She'd
and
be
I
so
rinse-
proud of you.
Make sure you show her this.
Oh, you rinse them, too?
Yeah, I rinse it and I like cut it in half.
Okay.
It's going in the oven at 425 for 25 minutes and for an hour.
Nice. Just waiting for everything to cook up. We have the chicken and sweet potatoes in the oven and the ground turkey and vegetables in the pan.
A cup of rice in each container. And then we're checking the chicken. It was about 30 minutes.
Looks good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Looks done. So you do just like half a chicken breast per container?
No, I'll fill it up more. I'll see how much I can
Oh,
fit
okay.
in each one.
Okay. And then what about the turkey we got over here?
That's for me.
Oh, okay.
Mm-mm.
Just plain?
Mm-hmm.
Plain chicken and rice?
Absolutely.
That's such a bro diet right
It's
there.
terrible. I can't live like that.
Got the sweet potatoes. We're at Aldi's now. Never been here before.
I forgot 5.
Yeah. Just got out of Kroger again. Which number store are we on now? Like 5?
Yeah.
5, I think.
Lots of shopping today.
So we got some more almond butter and cottage cheese and other random stuff that Erica needed.
Yep.
And now we're going across the street to spy on Lucas and see what he's doing.
Oh my gosh!
What'd I get for
You
you?
got me some pumpkin spice
Organic coffee.
and some scented pine cones. Oh,
In a little bowl.
that's actually a super cool bowl. Oh my goodness. You shouldn't have.
Wow, it's super windy out
It's
today.
so nice out
It's
right
really
now.
nice though. So it's actually the next day after I meal prepped with Erica. We're here at Powerhouse Gym again. I'm gonna do a leg workout, so I'll take you guys through that. And Lucas said he's gonna film for me, so
Gonna do it.
should be a good one.
All right. awesome.
Boom. We just finished inside the gym. I did squats, deadlifts, leg press, lunges, and then leg extension and leg curl. I always do stretching, especially after leg days, but it's super nice out right now, and we're gonna head to another gym so Lucas can work out and like do his tricking and everything outside. So I just figured I would take advantage of the beautiful day and go stretch outside. So I'll catch you guys there. Alright, we are here at the university gym now so Lucas can get his workout in. It's been about 45 minutes to an hour since I did my leg workout, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my legs hurt really bad. So I'm just gonna do incline treadmill for about an hour, just get some cardio in. 225 was my best like deadlift ever, lifetime PR today, so I'm pretty happy about that, even though it's like not that great of a number. I'm still excited to be getting my strength back since like getting out of school and everything and being more consistent with my training. Just finished up cardio. We're gonna take advantage of this amazing weather. I swear this is the nicest it's been out this whole year.
Yeah, it's pretty darn nice out.
Fall is here, so we're just gonna stretch it out for a couple minutes and then that'll be it. Just got back from the grocery store, gonna cook up some dinner. I got a steak and some veggies to grill up, so I'm super excited about that. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to comment down below what you want to see next time, and I'll see you in the next video.